In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot of your Flippity Scavenger Hunt completion screen so that you can upload it to your exit ticket. So the first thing we want to find is your Snippint Tool. So right down here, you might have a magnifying glass, you might have a white search box. Either way, click on it, and then we're going to type in Snippint Tool. When you start typing snipping, your Snippint Tool should come right up here. Click on it. It's going to open up this little menu right here. You want to click on New. And then what you want to do is look at those crosshairs, put it up in the corner. You're going to click and hold, and then you're going to drag across whatever you want to take a screenshot of, and then you're going to let go. And now we would just simply want to save this to our desktop. I'm going to go to File, Save As. I'm going to name it Flippity and click Save. And that should do it. It should be on my desktop, and I will have that available to upload to my exit ticket at the completion of this course.